You're just caught up in what I call the strategy spin cycle. What's good, go-getters? I'm Erica Smith, a Louisiana girl who left corporate and dove headfirst into digital entrepreneurship. I took everything I learned in my 11-year social media marketing and sales career, launched my online business, and made $20K in 2 weeks. But it wasn't long after I realized that making money is only a small part of running a successful company. And looking back, I could have used a lot of insight and direction. So I'm keeping it real on this podcast, doing all the research so you don't have to. Mindset, money, struggles, and setbacks are all safe topics here. Get ready to learn the marketing methods and sales secrets to scaling a successful digital business that serves both your purpose and your pockets. Consider this a cookout kickback with a touch of table talk networking. Your journey as an entrepreneur is definitely the ride of your life, but if you're ready to go get it, you're in the right place. Welcome to Go Getter. Hey, what's good, go-getters? Welcome back to another episode of the Go Getter podcast. I'm your host, Erica Smith, and today, we're getting into something that I know has been sitting on your chest for a while. It's that, why am I doing all this stuff and still nothing is working kind of feeling? You know what I mean? You're trying to grow your business online. You're showing up, you're posting, you're tweaking. You've been in the webinars, you bought the courses, you follow the gurus, but it still feels like you're on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not actually going nowhere, right? So let's talk about it. Let's talk about why this is happening and how we're going to fix it. So first of all, let me just keep it all the way real with you, okay? So you are not alone, like not even close. You'd be shocked at how many incredibly talented, driven, smart people are out here just doing the most online and still not getting any results. So if that's you right now, I want you to just breathe, okay? There's nothing wrong with you. You're just caught up in what I call the strategy spin cycle. So it's what happens when every few weeks you're trying something new, like, oh, I should do a new launch. Wait, no, let me build a freebie first. Oh no, hold on. I got to get my Reels because Reels is popping again. No, wait, let me just do some more content with somebody else so I can get brand deals. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna start a podcast, right? Like you're working hard, but none of it is sticking. And the truth is, without a connected strategy, it never will. So let me tell you something personal. When I first started my business, I had one offer, okay? One. It was simple. It was focused. It was easy for me to show up for. I didn't need a funnel, a team, a scheduler, or 18 different tools. I knew what I sold. I knew who it was for, and I had a clear way of delivering it, like period. I was making money and I was in flow and I was getting results with ease. But then I started trying to level up, right? I started doing the most. I started feeling like I needed to have more offers, be on more platforms. I started getting more ideas, more, should I do this? Should I do that? And with every new layer, I got more confused. Suddenly, I was paying for 6 different tools that I barely used. I'm hiring help that I don't even know how to delegate to. I'm building all these automations that never get finished. And one day I realized, man, look, I have built a business that I don't enjoy running. It felt really heavy because I felt like I bought myself a full-time job, and that's not cute. Why would I do that, right? That's not why I became an entrepreneur, and I know that's not why you did either. So let's break this down. Why is it that you can be doing everything right and still not getting anywhere? It's because you're trying to stack random tactics instead of building a real system. And I get it. Online business can be so confusing right now. You log in and you're immediately bombarded. I know, I get it. 1 minute it's build a funnel. Then it's sell a mini offer, do 10 reels a day, get into high ticket coaching, get into low ticket coaching, start a YouTube channel. No, drop shipping. No, Amazon. Listen, every voice is loud and every strategy is the secret, and it's exhausting. Okay. But here's the truth. Most of those things work, but only if they're plugged into a clear and connected strategy. Otherwise, it's like trying to cook a 5-course meal with random ingredients and no recipe. If you got a little TikTok strategy over here, a little random email template over there, a course you never finished, a sales page somebody told you to copy and paste, but none of it fits you. none of it flows, and none of it connects. So what I've learned, especially just being in the middle of 2025, that simplicity is the secret. You do not need to be everywhere. You do not need a 12-step funnel. You do not need to be posting 6 times a day to get results. What you need is a clear path, one offer, one strategy, one audience, one system that connects your content, emails, and your calls to action. So when someone sees you on social media, it's clear on what you do. When they visit your site, there's one thing to buy or join. When they opt in, they're led somewhere intentionally. You're not throwing spaghetti at the wall, right? We cooking real meals over here, right? We got let you cook. Okay, you got to cook. Okay, so like let me give you like a quick visual, right? So I love giving this example, because just think about it, like social media is a place where you go fish, right? So right now, most of y'all are fishing with like 10 broken nets everywhere, okay? One over there floating, one stuck in the mud, one don't even have no bait in it, right? You just standing there frustrated, like, well, I'm not catching nothing. Why my business not popping off, right? Meanwhile, you never even asked, am I in the right body of water? Do I have the right bait? Do I even know what type of fish I'm trying to catch? Like, what I'm saying is that you need one well-placed net, one system, one strategy that's designed around who you are, what you offer, and how you want to show up. And that's what we're building inside of Go Getter Society Live. Now, listen to me closely. I'm so serious right now. I set out to create something that removes every excuse in the book, because it's ridiculous the amount of money there is online, like ridiculous. And I want you to get your piece. But here's the thing that I hear all the time. In my 7 years of running this company, I constantly hear, I don't have time to create a product, Erica. Like, I'm not good at graphic design, or I don't even know what I would sell. Or what if I put something out and nobody buys it? I don't like being on camera. Like, I want to be behind. I don't want to show my face. I've heard it all. And you don't have to worry about that anymore, because I have built something for you. And in this workshop, I'm unveiling a brand new offer that you can promote right now. It's going to be so good, y'all. Like, you don't have to create it. You don't have to write the copy. You don't have to build the funnel. It's already done. And when you join Go Getter Society, you're going to get 90% commission. Yes, girl, 90. Okay. You can start making money even if you don't have a product yet. Now, I want to be clear about it. Okay. Because I'm only inviting 50 people to kick this off with me, because I want to really walk closely with this first group. I want to give you the support, and I want to make sure that you see real results. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, and if you've been out here hustling with no return, like if you want to wake up to real sales in your business, you need to be at this workshop. Okay. Go to heyericasmith.com/society. Save your seat right now. Seriously, do not wait. Okay. So let me say this. You don't need more hustle. Okay. You don't need more apps. You need clarity. You need a strategy that fits your life in the season of business that you are in. You need a strategy that gives you space to breathe, room to grow, and the ability to make money consistently without running yourself into the ground. And the more that you do that, the more it's going to be easier for you to understand your purpose. And even more than all of that, you need people in your corner, right? You need people who are walking this journey with you, people who understand what it takes, people to remind you that you're not behind, right? That you're just one decision away from the momentum that you need in your business. And that's what Go Getter Society is all about. Okay. So I want you to pause and ask yourself, do I want to keep spinning, or am I ready for strategy? Okay, click the link in the show notes and sign up for Go Getter Society Live. Okay, this isn't just another training. It's a reset for you. This is the strategy. This is the invitation to build something that actually works. So I'm really excited to walk through this first group of 50, and I can't wait to help you launch, grow, and finally build the business that you've been dreaming about. Okay, y'all, that's all I have for y'all this week. I wanted to read and kind of ease y'all back into this thing. I know it has been a minute since I've been on this podcast, and I just kind of slid right on back in here like I was never gone. Okay, but you already know what it is. Go out, keep going to go get it, and just stay focused with this thing, y'all, because it is a ride. I'm here with you along the way. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Leave some comments if this episode was helpful. Make sure you guys DM me at Hey Erica Smith over on Instagram, and I will see you guys next Tuesday on the Go Getter Podcast.